Hello there, welcome to IDbox Creations YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll show you how you can create a WooCommerce product category slider using the Elementor page builder. For this, make sure you have the WooCommerce plugin, Elementor page builder and the PowerPack add-on for Elementor installed and activated on your website. We'll be using these three plugins for our tutorial. First of all, select the page where you want to add the category slider and open it using the Elementor editor. Now look for the categories widget. Make sure you see the double P icon in the top right corner of the widget. That means PowerPack's widgets. For this tutorial, we are not using Woo categories, but we'll be using the categories widget. Simply drag and drop the widget on the page. Let's start customizing our categories widget. Here, you can choose the content that you want to display in your categories. Here, I'm selecting the post type as products. And if I do not want to show a particular product, I can simply exclude it. Further, you can also change the ordering and the order format easily. For the layout of your categories, you can change the skin, layout, column, height, category thumbnails, image height, image size, and feedback image. You can further change the post count, text count, and categories description as well. Since we have selected the carousel as our design, we also get further settings to customize it. You can change the slider speed, autoplay option. You can also activate grab cursor, arrows, pagination for navigations and a direction as well. When it comes to styling, you get multiple options to customize this. You get to customize the layout, box, category content, category title, post count, arrows, and pagination. In the layout, you get the option to change the column gap, and coming to the box customization options, you can change the background color, border type, border radius, box shadow, and even the padding. For the contents of the category or the category content, you can change the alignment, background color, margin, and padding for both normal as well as hover effects. Now for the category title, you can change the color, hover color, typography, and the bottom margin. You can make the same changes to the post count as well, such as color, hover color, typography, and the bottom margin. Now coming to the navigation options, for the arrow, you can choose the arrow type, arrow size, alignment, background color, arrow color, border radius, and even the padding. Similarly, you can make changes to the pagination dots as well, such as position, size, gap between dots, colors, border, and padding. Since I like the designs of the paginations options right now, I'll just leave them be, but if you want to make any changes, you are free to do so. After you have made all the changes, don't forget to click on the publish button. This is what our category slider looks like after making all those changes. Let me know what you think of the categories widget by commenting your thoughts down below. And if you want to learn more about Elementor and how to make different designs, subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.